In the high-stakes world of digging, every second and every pass counts. Meet LoadMax, Craig's all-new bucket that adds up to 30% more productivity to your earth-moving job. Built on decades of proven Craig design principles and harnessing the power of the strongest, lightest steel technology available. Job sites using LoadMax are filling up to 10 to 20 extra truckloads per day. The formula? It's simple. Rugged build quality and premium steel allows for less steel in the bucket. Less steel in the bucket means more payload. And more payload means more money in the owner's pocket. We pass match optimize every LoadMax bucket to your truck's capacity. No more underfilled trucks, no more wasted cycles. And from the operator's perspective, it's just as easy to use as a conventional bucket. Maximize your ROI. Make every pass count. Ask your dealership about LoadMax today.